This next video that you're about to see is full of intrigue, mystery and murder. No, it's not. It's not the usual type of video, and it's not going to contain any bushcraft. This one's a bit of fun. Stick with it, guys. If you're ever over from the United States or from Canada, Spain, France, from wherever you are in the world, come and visit this little place. It's definitely got an eerie feel to it as the rain comes down to add to the atmosphere. But if you want a bit of something different and a view of the Druid Temple, another example of Stonehenge, but hardly anyone knows about it. Hardly anybody visits. Stick with this episode. You're bound to have a bit of fun. Now see you in the next one. Now please enjoy. It's a dead hare.
Why did it try and jump through a hole?
I'm not sure if it has actually.
What the? Is that alive?
I don't know. No, it's dead. Somehow that's fallen down and got trapped.
That is creepy! Maybe it broke its neck. Oh, what's going on?
I don't know.
Poor bunny.
And to get that stone on top there, you're looking at, that's easy a couple of ton, that. You can rest inside. Yeah. So we've got rabbit poo and that's around. Tons of it. Lovely dense forest. The whole structure was built in 1820 and it was commissioned by the Sheriff of Yorkshire at the time, a gentleman called William Danby. This stone structure must have something to do with fertility. That is awesome. Inside the circle. Someone's put a penny, or is it 5p or 10p or something like that, in the crack there. This is awesome. Oh, they've stacked all these up here. Look at that for a natural rock formation. Excelente. The Druid's temple was influenced by the architecture and the aesthetics of Stonehenge. Same size stones were used and some of them are 3 metres tall. The sacrificial stone has been placed in accordance to other temples around the country. There are rumours that a group of students were found cold, wet and shivering one morning walking away from the site. They reported seeing shadows, country noises, owls hooting in the night. Another time, two friends were walking past the site. They noticed a pig's head on the altar that wasn't there the day before. Spooky. Some of these rocks got to be at least, what, a ton or something like that. What do you think? Can you hear me? I am a monster. Awesomeness. Flintstone style. And as we make our way through to the next portal, as you can see, this stone lintel over the top there, that's got to weigh at least 2 ton, something like that. These 2 massive pillars holding it up. Then we enter the dining area. Size of this table. Seated 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 to the table. Baji. What have I told you about? Standing on the table. Get down. Come on, get down. Alright, good girl. As we enter into the darkness, you can see that was one major rock up on top. We'll have a look at that from the outside. It's like a dome, a mini dome. It's got 1, 2, 3, 4 major seats. New family. Yeah. Stone slabs over the top there. All wet. I mean, these stones, and it looks like sandstone to me, but you're looking at, well, that is some hoist to get these guys up. Huge. What's quite remarkable is Danby paid a hermit to live in the temple and guard it for 7 years. He managed 5. Awesome. Right, let's have a little wander around. I'm not sure what this was, but maybe it represents some sort of altar. Then you have these little dolmens with the main pillars and then the lintel on top there. Menhirs, saracens and other phallic neo-druidical megalithic stones were all raised from the moors by the workmen for $1 a day.